Let's look at converting years down to days. So big number or big concept, a whole year, down to a smaller concept of days. So 3.5 years here, we know that's going to be a lot of days, right? It's going to be a larger number. And so let's start with what we're given, 3.5 years. Always multiply by a fraction, and you want the years to cancel. So I know that years is going to go on the bottom. 1 year, I'm working towards days. I know that's 365 days. And so now the years can cancel because one's on the top, one's on the bottom. And we're ready to just multiply across the top and across the bottom and see what we get. Well, let's see here. We've got 3.5 times 365 days is 1,277.5, half a day. All right, I know it's days because that's the word that's left, and on the bottom there's only a 1. Anything divided by 1 is itself. So that doesn't change anything. So there's no need to go through that. So it makes sense that our number is so large because we're converting years down to days that takes a lot of days to make a year. Therefore, in 3.5 years, there's going to be many, many days. Okay. There is your process. I hope that helps you. I'll see you next time.